Hi, lovely people. This is Rich Brain. If today is your first time of watching me, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, like and comment, because these are the only ways you can support my YouTube channel so that I can record more mathematical content for you. So the question today is, if n combination 5 all over n permutation 4 is equal to 1/4, we should find the value of n. So before we can solve this question very well, then our idea on combination and permutation must be well rehearsed. So if we have n combination r, it will be equal to n factorial all over r factorial bracket n minus r factorial. Also, if we have n permutation r, then it will be equal to n factorial all over n minus r factorial. Having known this very well, then we can say that our n combination 5 here will be equal to n factorial over 5 factorial, then n minus 5 factorial. Also, our n permutation 4 will be equal to n factorial over n minus 4 factorial. Then, we must also be aware that if we are finding 7 factorial is the same as 7 times 6 factorial. That's 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, 2 in that order up to 1. Then our problem, which is n combination 5 over n permutation 4 equal to 1/4, can be rewritten as n combination 5 divided by n permutation 4 is equal to 1/4. Then we can substitute. Remember, our n combination 5 is n factorial over 5 factorial times n minus 5 factorial. Then we can say that will be n factorial over 5 factorial times n minus 5 factorial, then divided by our n permutation 4 is n factorial over n minus 4 factorial. Then we can say this is n factorial over n minus 4 factorial equal to 1/4. So our problem can be rewritten as n factorial over 5 factorial times n minus 5 factorial, then times, I'll reciprocate this, so I'll have n minus 4 factorial over n factorial, and that will be equal to 1/4. Remember, we said 7 factorial is the same as 7 then times 7 minus 1 factorial. Then from here we can say n minus 4 factorial will be n minus 4 then times n minus 4 minus 1 factorial, which will be n minus 5 factorial. So we'll say this will be n factorial over 5 factorial times n minus 5 factorial, then times n minus 4 then n minus 5 factorial. That's negative 4 minus 1 over n factorial, and that will be equal to 1/4. So you can see that this n factorial will divide this n factorial. Then n minus 5 factorial will divide n minus 5 factorial. Then our numerator will be n minus 4 over 5 factorial, and that will be equal to 1/4. Remember, 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that will give us 120. Then we can say this is n minus 4 over 120 equal to 1/4. We cross multiply, then we can say n minus 4 will be equal to 1/4 then times 120. Our n minus 4, 1/4 of 120 will be 30, and our n will be equal to 30 plus 4, and that will be equal to 34. So we can say our n is equal to 34. I hope this will help someone. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until we meet again, this is Rich Brain.